What if I told you the next smartphone you're about to see could completely change the flagship game in 2026? The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is here, and trust me, this is not just another yearly upgrade. This is Samsung pushing boundaries in ways we haven't seen before. Right from the first look, the S26 Ultra feels futuristic with its refined titanium frame, slimmer bezels, and a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that delivers breathtaking colors, ultra-deep blacks, and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate that makes everything from scrolling to gaming feel insanely fluid. And yes, it's brighter than ever, making outdoor visibility almost effortless under direct sunlight. But the real magic begins under the hood. Powering this beast is the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, built on an advanced 3nm architecture, delivering lightning-fast performance while improving efficiency, meaning smoother multitasking, console-level gaming, and AI tasks that feel instant. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and blazing fast UFS 4.1 storage, this phone doesn't just keep up, it dominates. Now, let's talk AI, because this is where things get seriously interesting. Samsung's new Galaxy AI 2.0 enhances everything from real-time call translation and intelligent photo editing to AI-powered battery optimization that learns your usage habits and adjusts performance in the background. Imagine your phone summarizing long emails, enhancing low-light photos automatically, and even suggesting replies that sound just like you. That's the future Samsung is building here. Speaking of photos, the camera system is absolutely wild. The S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a 200MP upgraded main sensor with improved low-light capabilities, a periscope zoom lens capable of up to 10x true optical zoom, and advanced AI image processing that captures sharper, more detailed shots even in challenging conditions. Night photography looks cleaner, portraits feel more natural, and 8K video recording now comes with enhanced stabilization that makes handheld footage look cinematic. And just wait until you see the new AI video enhancement mode, but I'll come back to that in a moment. Battery life? Samsung didn't hold back. The S26 Ultra packs a massive 5,500 mAh battery with improved fast charging and optimized power management thanks to the new chip efficiency. That means all-day heavy usage without anxiety, and when you do need to top up, you're back in action in no time. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are faster and smarter too. The S Pen is also more responsive, making note-taking, sketching, and productivity smoother than ever, and Samsung's One UI 8 on Android 16 feels polished, intuitive, and packed with customization options tailored for power users. Now here's where the suspense builds. Samsung is expected to officially launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026, likely around January or February, following its traditional Unpacked event schedule, and if pricing stays competitive in the premium flagship range, this device could seriously challenge every other top-tier smartphone on the market. But here's the surprise for those of you still watching. Leaks suggest Samsung may introduce an exclusive AI-powered feature that enhances video quality in real time while streaming or recording, something no other smartphone currently offers at this level. And if that turns out to be true, the S26 Ultra might not just be the best Samsung phone ever made, it could redefine what we expect from a smartphone entirely. So the real question is, are you ready for the future in your pocket? Because if even half of these upgrades deliver the way Samsung promises, 2026 is about to get very interesting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which P.